We're gonna try this Gourmet City popcorn. There's 2 different flavors. There's cherry and there's white chocolate.
Which one you trying?
Let's try the white chocolate first.
It tastes like...
It actually tastes like white chocolate, just vanilla chocolate. Not like cookies and cream chocolate.
It tastes like a bland, sweet, white cheddar popcorn. This is cherry?
I think so.
You don't even know?
I do. This is cherry.
That was a little hard. Like some candy. Candy popcorn? I do taste like cherry. It's not bad.
Because it got chocolate on them. Chocolate.
That tastes like they got some candy on that.
This one is smaller than the white one, so let's just try it together.
Yeah,
You gotta wait for
too
me.
rough on your teeth.
They taste good when they mix together.
I ain't a fan. I don't know, I don't like it. Period. Bye.